What's going on, everybody? What a beautiful day, sunshiny. Get outside, start doing something, start looking for treasures, opportunities. They're everywhere. My name's Bill Duran. I am your flipping expert. I know when I say that, people like catch themselves because they think I'm saying a different word, but I'm really not. Anyway, I'm putting on a workshop May 30th, 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's free to sign up, free to attend. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you how I make money, how to find, flip, and profit from some of the most crazy finds that I've had in my life that you'll be amazed of. And I'll show you actual ways of where to go find the stuff. And yes, you can find stuff for free. So click the link below, sign up for your free workshop, webinar, session, whatever you want to call it. Sign up for it. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Once you sign up, I'm gonna send you a worksheet so that you can start preparing beforehand, because I'm gonna show you how to find stuff in your house ahead of time that I want you to bring to the webinar so that I can help you find the value. All right, gotta go. Again, Bill Duran, your host for Flippin Treasures Made Easy. Click the link below, join me. We'll have a lot of fun. It's gonna be about an hour and a half long. See you there.